ships with by default, then I would say you are in a great loss, because as a casual basic Windows PC user, you can do many things inside the terminal. And not only that, this terminal that Windows is shipped by default is a beautiful one. So today I will talk about 10 things that any regular PC user may find useful utilizing the terminal. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first one is Package Manager. If you are familiar with Linux operating system, then you may know what Package Manager is. If you don't, no worries, let me explain you. A package manager is basically that does all the things for you regarding the software installation, upgrade, and even removing it. How does it do that? All you have to do is press a simple command. It will search through the repository of the package and find if it's available, and you can easily install it by simple install command. You can update it by using simple update command. Even you can remove them. You don't need to go to the browser searching for the appropriate or correct website, then finding the download button, later on download the application and download the installer, install it, then remove the installer to save your hard disk or SSD space. You don't need to do any of that. You can just type such commands, like if you use Winget, you can just press Winget, search git to search the git option. You can install it by Winget install git. You can upgrade the git using install upgrade git. Here git is basically a git thing. It can be anything, like a browser, a software, a piece of software. Especially all the open source softwares are available almost in Winget. If you can't find it Winget, you can always rely on Chocolate. This is the official website. And for some reason you don't have the administrative privilege and you still need to install some basic stuff, then you can go to the Scoop. Scoop lets you install anything without requiring any administrative privileges, and it can be handy if there is simple application then you need to install without invoking the administration of your Office PC or anything like that. The second tool is terminal based text editor. As you can see, I'm currently open this markdown file inside my terminal, and it looks beautiful because it is taking the theme of my terminal. I have set it up in such a way. There are other terminals based text editor like Vim, Neovim. You can use any of them, but those are not user friendly if you are a basic Windows PC user. So I would recommend Micro as a terminal based text editor, which can be used as a basic notepad. The third one is doing to-do list. Let me take you to the to-do list. This is my to-do list, and it is a terminal based one. You can do the to-do list or make the to-do list in basic simple terminal such as Tuxedo. You can see my other videos where I have explained how to install it and use it. The fourth one is using plain text bookkeeping. What is a bookkeeping? What is a plain text bookkeeping? You can find many videos. Even I have uploaded a video regarding this topic. I guess I have uploaded 3 videos, so you can know that. But in simple way, this is a personal financing tool that you can use inside your terminal. It will keep you will keep record with this tool, and after some times you will get summarization or reports that might help you making decisions, making financial decisions. The third one is GNU BC. It's basically a calculator. You have your calculator installed in your Windows PC, but if you want to do something programming like, you can always rely on this kind of calculator. In Linux there are many, but in a Windows PC you'll get this GNU BC, basic calculator in short form. Here you can see I have performed a simple task, like I have set a variable a is equals to 10, variable b is equals to 9, and if I want to square root the a square plus b square, I can just perform the c, and c will provide the answer. This is a simple task. You can do various intuitive and programming like calculation using this terminal based application. The third or sixth one is Git. You might think that why should you learn Git, because you are no programmer or developer, but actually this is kind of a free storage thing. Let's say you want to save something that is publicly available, as well as you can access it through any PC without any logging credential or anything else. You just want to grab your information or data out of there, and it is public friendly, like if anyone knows about that data, you won't have any issue. So you can use Git as that placeholder or backup tool kind of thing. I do this for my stuff, like basically my portfolio thing or other simple data that is not so sensitive, so that I can grab the data anywhere from any PC whenever I need it. And the seventh one is FFmpeg. What is an FFmpeg? If you deal with let's say editing software or video editing, or you do record things, you must have this tool. There is another open source graphical user interface tool that does the same work, that's called Handbrake, but it is heavier than this one. You don't need a graphical user interface tool to just convert some video format. You can do it with FFmpeg. Just type this kind of command and it will instantly convert the formats. And the Handbrake tool I have mentioned is basically using this underneath that graphical user interface. So why should you bother installing a GUI heavier than this simple tool? You may think that this is too much complicated, but it's not. See the you can see the command tool. It just calls the name of the program, which is FFmpeg. That's a flag. What should you do? You want to like convert things from which file. This is the input file you want to convert, and this is the output file, and the format you want the file to be converted to. So that's it. You can also extract only the audio file from any sort of video format with such and such command. It's totally simple thing. If you can just install these terminal based tool inside your Windows PC, and you won't feel any difference, any sort of performance issue or anything. Whenever you need it, you can open it via the terminal, and that's it. There's another terminal based tool that's called MuPDF or Mutool. What does it do? If you need to, let's say, merge or extract or split PDF files more often, what you do, you most probably go to the website, upload your PDFs, and then merge it. Let's say your data has some sensitive issue, you don't want to share it with some third-party fishy website, so you can do it with this simple tool. That's just too simple. What you have to do is just call the tool, what you want to do. For example, if you want to merge, type merge. If you want to extract, type extract, and there is a flag, input, and the output file name. That's it, nothing else. This is not so complicated. You can ask any sort of chatbot. They will guide you how you can start this tool, or once you have done 1 or 2 times of this thing, you will get used to it, and trust me, you will never return to any sort of graphical user interface alternative to these tools that I have mentioned today. This is the fuzzy finder. What does it do? It just finds anything with a fuzzy finder. For example, and in this terminal, I want to open the markdown folder. I don't know why it is. So to open it up, what I had to do, I had to navigate to that exact folder and open it up. But with the fuzzy finder, all I have to do is call the fuzzy finder and it will find it for me. How does that help? I want to open my file in micro, so I am typing micro. I want to find the file using fuzzy finder, so I will use the parenthesis and MCF, enter, and it is finding the thing. So the file name is terminal use, and it's a markdown format MD. So see, when I am typing, it matches with the thing that I typed, and it found out the exact file that I'm looking. So that's it. All I have to do is press enter and it will open up the file for me. So that's how you can find anything. It's not just that it is compatible with the micro, you can use it as an alternative to everything. Many people use everything to find and search things inside the Windows, but I would recommend this fuzzy finder, which is much more better alternative than that. And of course, Windows search is not good at all, so you definitely have to choose another alternative. So why not the lightest or lighter and better version, which can run inside the terminal emulator that you have. And the last one is the Croc. What does that do? Let's say you want to share any file. How do you do that? You share it through maybe email or upload it to your drive, then share the link. But let's say the file is too heavy or too much big and you don't want to waste your cloud storage, so you want to share it in real time. Let's say you're uploading and the other person is downloading at the same time, so that there is no in-between server thing that's gonna stop you. So this is the solution for you. What it does, the developer already demonstrated this video. You can see it in here. So you can see they just called the Croc software, type send, and the file name. It generated a name code, and the receiver will just press Croc and the unique name, and it will start extracting or receiving the file at the same time the sender is sending. So there is no in between thing. It's more of a like a torrent thing. The torrent doesn't store the actual file in any server, so you don't need a server. It's just peer-to-peer connection, which is a great thing. So these are the 10 things that I found very useful. Any regular users may find useful. And to be honest, I use all of them, and except for this FFmpeg, so because I don't need to convert my videos more often. Rather, I try to use all of them. And for the package manager, I used 3 of them, so you can try, and all of them works perfectly fine for me. So that's it. That's all for today. Thank you.